Yo, what's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrone. So this video, I want to show you guys how you can make over 100 racks in a month using CPN numbers, accessing two loans, credit cards, how to cash them out, move the money around. You guys can see this is a pic. I'm wearing the Dior slides. So this is a lot of money that I cashed out through the bank. So if you guys get loans, you can withdraw as much money as you want without the IRS or raising red flags, through the IRS and stuff. So if you use a CPN, guys, you can get so much bread off the CPNs, okay? But for the CPNs to work, you will have to have trade lines, okay? Trade lines is what's going to make it, get the loans through the lenders. The trade line is what lenders want to see, okay? It's how you build trust. It makes them want to trust you and give you all the money they can give you, okay? So the most you can get off a personal loan is $300K. That's if you go through BSG Financial, SoFi, and a few other ones. For business loans, you can get millions of dollars, but you have to get you have to build a business CPN. The business CPN, you have to get a EIN number, DUNS number. It's better to make one under your name, so everything, you can use your own documents and your ID and stuff. There is also a thing called a pre-build CPN. If you guys don't know what a pre-build is, it's when a company build a CPN already. It's been sitting for months. It got trade lines added. It has documentations. If you just buy one of those, it's going to make your whole life easier. Okay. You won't have to do the tri-merging, Polo records, because those pre-builds already have the tri-merging and Polo records. Okay. So just for example, I'm going to show you guys a really good recommended site. Okay, don't sleep on the site. It's cpnpackage.com. It's going to be in the description, so make sure you guys check it out. So if you guys want, over 10 racks in loans and credit cards, I recommend you get the premium CPN. So this one, you can definitely get around 25K to 30K. The SoFi, it's $100 and it's a good investment. Okay. And if you guys can read that, all the info is underneath the pricing. Okay. It shows you what you can get, what's the limits. If you're trying to get an apartment, just get with a starter, use a starter package. But all these, you can get apartments and stuff. If you try to get a mortgage, get the expert CPN. And they do other business CPNs. So this one, you can get a lot of capital. You can get, over $1 million through the other lenders like American Express and stuff. So if you're really serious, I recommend you get the expert one, because this one is more flexible. This is the only ones where you can attach your name and address. It's a little on the pricey side, but it's worth it. This one you can get around 100K in loans. Also, shout out to the other sites. This is Trial CPN. This is the best package I recommend. It comes with a pre-applied credit card, elite package. And this one will mail to your address. So I'm going to show you a photo of a card in the next slide or end of the video somewhere, or maybe in this video. But this one is recommended, highly recommended. This one, you can get about 100K in loans. So again, you can just Google the loan sites, but I already talked about this in other videos. Just go through SoFi. SoFi is a good bank, or BSG Financial. I recommend that. And then lastly, another good site for CPNs. This one right has a pre-applied loan. Okay, so once you place an order, the company will apply for the loan for you, and it will deposit to either your bank, or the company will provide you with the bank. Okay, so you get either options. Okay, they're gonna apply through BSG Financial. And then they're going to take a percentage. So they'll take 20K off the 200K. So you're left with 180K. And it's your choice to pay back the loan. Okay. You have to pay the loan. You have to pay back. But If you do, you can use a CPN for more credit later on. So that's what I recommend you guys do. Also, if you guys are trying to purchase primaries from me, I'm selling primaries, but I'm reselling these prices off another vendor. But if you guys hit me up this month, it's early March right now. All these prices are basically half off. Okay, but these are realistic prices. If for anyone reselling trade lines, because they get it off collections, right? And it reports as a positive account. College zombie debt. These are pay off debt. Okay, pay off debt that don't really cost much. Okay, if you can get your own pay off debt, you can just start reselling. So I'll teach you the pay off debt, how to get a whole list in another feature video. But really, if you manage to get a list, you can overcharge. But these are regular prices, but a lot of companies, like the big companies, they get them really cheap and they can sell them for, a few $100s. But other people, they be selling for 500 to 1,000, so people can make up their price. But, I'm charging 50% off. The most I could probably do is 70% off for some of you guys. So I'm really flexible with my prices. If you guys can only afford a certain amount, just let me know, and then you guys can pay back later through the loans and stuff. I do take half payments too. So if you guys want to do half and half after it reports, we can do that. Again, also take, increments too. I take monthly payments. So we need like 3 to 4 monthly payments or bi-weekly payments too. But I have the autos. I got the revolving accounts. Mortgages would be high. Reports all 3 views, and the posting is around 20 to 30 business days. Okay. If you guys want faster reporting, you have to pay for the full price. The fastest I can probably report is like 7 to 10 days. But really, if you guys can be patient, you will save some money. And again, reports to all 3 bureaus. So hit me up on my number. Hit up my number in the description. And I'll get back to you guys. I am pretty damn busy. But basically, guys, if you can just build your CPN or buy a CPN, you can apply for credit and you can get all this cash, withdraw the funds. You can move the money around through Cash App, Apple Pay, Venmo, PayPal,